So here's what happened. I'm John. I have this excellent little Still 034. The oil feed pipe broke. That ended up oiling the clutch. It blew out the clutch. My sauce was completely done, I thought. So I decided, okay, I'm going to buy myself a Chinese saw. To replace the Still was going to cost me $1,000. I didn't want to spend that. So I got this little Chinese number. And we're going to unwrap it and take a look at what it's got. So it came with 2 packages. The saw itself cost $145 US, which is a pretty good deal. And it's come with a 24-inch bar, plastic cover for the bar. That looks pretty good. And the rest of it was all in a box here. Chain is a 058 chain. That's not the same size as a Still. Still comes with 050 chain. Chinese papers. And what's in the box? Cardboard. Nice little unit to mix up your fuel. And there's the box with a saw in it. Pretty good. Owner's manual in English or Chinglish. Wrench, screwdriver. Good. We'll unwrap it and take a look. A couple of things to note. It has an enclosed chain brake there, which is kind of nice. Here's the carburetor, the air filter. The air filter is very similar to the Still. The choke down here. Pull it out, engages the choke, let it go, opens the choke. There's a switch here, on and off. And that's basically the controls. Here's the that's the starter. Everything looks fine. Yeah, another plus feature is the chain adjustment tightening screw is right on the side here, and it works well. The one disadvantage is that you have to line up the little pin on the cover with the bar when you're putting it together. Well, after about 30 minutes of running, I have to say this is a powerful chainsaw. I think it's a little more powerful than my 034, which I've replaced it with. The one thing, it doesn't have a decompression button, but it starts really easily. Now mind you, it's new. So there might be a few things that will wear on it. The handle is nice and springy, absorbs a lot of shock. It feels really nice. It cut so well, really well. The chain adjustment is really nice. Just a little button right here, and it can be tightened up easy as can be. I tightened it up once, but it's loosened up a bit again. So here goes again, just loosen up these two nuts. Screwdriver in there, a little looser. And it'll tighten up right here very nicely. Chain still hot? Yeah. That's pretty good. So, nice chainsaw. Approximately, by the time I'm finished with paying transport, etc., 500 US, 430 Canadian, as compared to a still, which is going to cost me $1,000 or more. So for my purposes, occasional cutting, big stuff, is working really well.